nature. No tree, only you understand me.
Oh yeah, man. I pick all the flowers on my flower crowns straight from nature. Straight from nature.
What we have here is a perfect specimen of the American teenager in the wild. Before settling down for its never-ending hibernation, we can see that it's entirely focused on its phone. Wait, what was that? It appears to be engaging with nature. Could this be? No, it appears that this is what's known as an Instagrammable moment for the American teen. Ah well, perhaps next time. Oh god, it spotted us. Oh god!
Ah, yes, nature. One of nature's greatest wonders. So serene. The river, the trees, the wildlife. What is that? Is it what I think it is? Oh my! I cannot believe it! It is Coffeus Cuppius, also known as the Starbuck. Dude, there's a fucking bear in this tree.
There's a bear fucking this tree?
What? No.
Oh, that does kind of look like a bear. You think it's like half bear, half tree?
What?
Come on, man. Life finds a way. In nature, nothing is impossible.